What's going on, everyone? 10-10-13. Long overdue mail day. Right into it. Contest winnings. Mr. Ricky Russo sent along. Awesome. The Cup. RPA. Christian Thomas. Montreal Canadiens. That's awesome, Ricky. Thank you so much. Been killing it in your contests, and I don't deserve it, but thank you so much, sir. Really appreciate that. I don't even think I have an RPA of an Islander in my collection. How sad is that? Next, I picked up this awesome Dennis Potvin New York Islanders autograph because I love that badass look on his face. That is an awesome card. And last video I told you about my mirror rainbow, the red and the gold. I was waiting on the blue. The blue finally got here after almost 2 weeks. Sent in this big ass old school 4-screw screw down. So there's the mirror rainbow. And long overdue GRIFFEYMAN2430 sent me this package. I'm sorry I had to sit on it for a while, but I finally have time to get to it. And there are stacks and stacks and stacks of cards in here. If you haven't checked out GRIFFEYMAN2430, Jason, I suggest you do so, please. First pack, we have a note. It says, Denny, here's a mix of PC for you. I had some PBs thrown in there for the wife. Thanks for the support. Hope you enjoy all. All the best, Jason. GRIFFEYMAN2430, my first GRIFFEYMAN autograph for the YouTube PC. Oh man, this is the badass Brian Trottier. I'm gonna get the autograph version of this one. Just love that look. I like getting Islander cards when they have some pissed off looks on their faces. Need a writer, John Tavares. I don't think I have that one. Definitely don't have this one. Nice icebreakers. Need a writer. He's doing really good for the Wild. One of my favorite John Tavares base cards. Celebration. There's Matt Molson, Josh Bailey. What is it? Oh, sweet. Upper Deck Ice. Definitely do not have that one for the Tavares PC. Nice. Triple Diamond Rookie Gems. Matt Donovan, who's starting now. He's gotten some chances in the last few games. He might stay up. Flair Ultra. Don't have this one. Michael Grabner. Matt Molson. P.A. Parenteau, Poso. Ibaka. I mean, these are some awesome cards. Oh, some nice old school 90s Upper Deck. Randy Wood, Pat LaFontaine. Lubomir. Glenn Healy, Andrew McDonald. Oh, Malakoff. Awesome. Remember Malakoff and Kasperitis on the back end. Grabner's. I mean, there's a ton here, you guys. I know a lot of guys don't want to see it, but ooh, a nice Matt Molson, limited. Thomas Hickey, rookie from Prism. Do not have that one either. Jason is hitting it. Oh, nice. Nicoletti in an Islanders jersey. All I had was Blackhawks. There's my first Nicoletti. And I think that's my first Coolman in an Islanders jersey, too. From the new Upper Deck. One of my favorite players from the 90s, Brent Sutter. There's Jeff Norton, LaFontaine from the 90s. Awesome stuff. Dave Tazowski. Just going through it. It's going to be a lot of fun putting all these in my Islanders notebook. Sorting them out. Here's a draw your own card. GRIFFEYMAN. It's a YouTube PC. Oh, we got a big Poppy sighting. Awesome. Blue border. Here's Nava. Oh man. Here's one for the wifey. Dustin Pedroia, her favorite. She's probably taller than him too. Oh, nice. Future stars. Xander Bogaerts. Oh, this is awesome. My first Cespedes. Napoli, the beard. Yes. Awesome. Jackie Bradley. Nice action shot. Clay Buchholz. Hopefully he'll do some damage. Oops. Oh, a nice Nomar. Beautiful. Jake Peavy. Green. Sweet. There's that sweet swing of Big Poppy. Going for the fences. And another Xander Bogaerts. Nice. And we got ambulances going down the street. VTech. Ah, I see the one for Susie. She's going to love that. Nice. Calvin DeHaan. Autograph. Calder Contenders. Don't have that. Out of Contenders. And a nice Casey Cizikas. Manufactured patch auto. Jason, you already said too much. This was the Patrice Bergeron. My wife's second husband. Dual jersey. She's going to love that. Man. And we got one more stack of cards. I still have to go through some of mine for you. Get you some old school Capitals. I don't believe I have sent them all to Rich yet. Nice chrome Taylor Lamont rookie card. Kendall Wright. Nice certified Mr. Retired Jake Locker. Here's a nice Bergie for my wife. That goes on her pile. Nice Bruins checklist for her. Chara and Tuca on there. Another nice Bergie. Oh, that's a cool one. Another nice Bergeron. A Prism John Tavares. Oh man, Quantum Leaf. Sweet. Bruce Matthews. Awesome looking card. Nice. And Lorenzo Neal. Remember Lorenzo Neal. Certified Blue, Chris Johnson, who got shot recently. Kenny Britt. Remember Kenny Britt. Stole Manny's bike. Franz Nielsen. Ooh, a nice Halak in his Islanders jersey. First Halak in an Islanders jersey. Kyle Okposo. Johnny Boychuk, Johnny Rocket. Susie misses him on the Bruins. So glad Islanders signed him long term. First Grabowski in an Islanders jersey. Oh, Young Guns, Aaron Ness. Don't have that one. A Young Guns from Mr. Young Gun. Mikko Koskinen. Nice brand new Johnny Tavares of the Upper Deck. Oh, sweet. Flash of Excellence. I've never seen these before. This must be new Upper Deck. 14-15 Upper Deck Overtime Hockey. There's like 3D effect to the card, but you can't really tell in this camera. That's a beauty. And a glossy John Tavares, 2.5. There's Johnny Boychuk, Franz Nielsen, Halak. Oh, nice. I don't have this one. MVP, John Tavares. The Hockey Heroes set. There's a nice Grabner. Matt Molson running away with only 11 goals on the Sabres. He misses John Tavares, I know that. And another retired guy, Nabby. So there you have it. It's GRIFFEYMAN2430 I call him Young Guns Man 2430. He has like all the Young Guns sets for hockey, or he almost has them all. And he's doing the French ones and everything. It's freaking awesome. So there you have it, Jason. You are the man. That is a huge hookup. Thanks once again for including cards for the wife. She's gonna love these. They go in her stack. She has to do a video yet. But there you have it. Trying to do the catch up here on the mail day. I still have. He didn't even write his name on here. Come on, man. I still have this guy, Rich Crook. Breeze and Oinks. Yes, I'm finally getting to it, Rich. So, stay tuned. Another video coming up. Over 10 minutes on this one. Holy crap. Be good.